In this video I will show you how to shadow text effect in Photoshop. Go to Type tool. I have used this font. Type your text. Adjust the text. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now we will copy this layer by dragging. Now we're going to select the bottom layer. Press Ctrl+T. Now we're going to right-click and choose Flip Vertical. Now we're going to move it down. Now we're going to press Ctrl+T and right-click and choose Perspective. Adjust the text. Add a mask. Go to Gradient tool. For round color is black. Now we will drag upwards from the top. Go to Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Follow these settings and press OK. That's it. Hope you liked it. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more tutorials.